Oh, that's my bad.
It's like a do not disturb setting for your mind, and it gets you focused in just 5 minutes using science and
Gen X Mad Max, what's up, my man? How's it going for you on this fine Friday? Yeah, I'm not too bad, my man. I'm finished work for the week, so actually doing pretty good. Starbucks, obviously, stuff like that, so I'm chilling right now. Not doing too bad. Not doing too bad at all. Thought I'd go live. I've been lacking this week. Honestly, work switched up. We're running some big ass shit at work today. Well, this week. So, after my like 10-12 hour night shifts, I'm just kind of like too dead to stream sometimes, to be honest, which is kind of shit on my part because the predictions I give on here have been pretty good, so I should really keep it up, but in all fairness, just this week it's just the adjustment to running such a big product, I think, but I should be back next week fully, and I was on holiday last week, so it's kind of just that like settling back into the routine, I suppose. But I should be back live more often next week. I'm going to try and go live over the weekend and try and do some stock analysis if anyone wants ticker predictions for the week coming. But right now we're in a trade on gold. We got a take profit set at 4,215. What kind of job are you doing? Well, funnily enough, funny story. I work in oil and gas right now. I have for 2 years. But I was supposed to go back to roofing, which is what I am by trade. So I'm qualified as a roofer. And I don't know if you can see this on stream. My arm's a little fucked up because I fell 20 feet off a roof while I was repairing it, right through rotten wood, and yeah, it kind of shattered my wrist. So that was about 3 months ago, and yeah, so right now it's just a case of, you know, physiotherapy in between night shift. So usually I'll work night shift on a Tuesday. I go to physio on a Wednesday. So I'll get home at about 6 in the morning on the Wednesday. I'll go to bed about 8, and then I get up for my physio around 1 o'clock in the evening, and then I'll go to work at 6 or 8 o'clock depending on when we start. But yeah, oil and gas right now, but a roofer by trade. But obviously a series of unfortunate events makes it so that roofing is kind of out of the question at the minute, because there's certain things I just can't do. I need to learn how to bend my wrist again. A guardian angel. You could say that. You could say that. I am Christian, so if there was a guardian angel, then I know who it was, but I think it's a funny lesson to teach a man, you know, to shatter his wrist. It's kind of what he relies on to make money. You don't realize how much shit you do with your hand until you break it. Like, genuinely. Like, it's not too bad now. Like, it flexes a little bit. Like, believe it or not, this is actually really good bend. I mean, 3 months in, this part of my wrist completely just, you know, it didn't like break the skin or anything like that. It wasn't like a go-ray accident. It wasn't too bad. I only broke one bone, which isn't it's actually pretty good for a 20 feet fall. The fact I only broke one bone and it was my wrist, I'll low-key take that. I got 3 metal plates in my wrist now. Yeah, it kind of sucks because I was at the gym 6 times a week just before this as well. So not being able to keep that routine kind of messed me up, I guess, mentally for a while, because I was in such a habit of going to the gym, and I'm not usually a very structured person. It could have turned out far worse. Yeah, it could have for sure. I mean, a 20-foot fall. I mean, my grandpa, he was fixing a roof. He's not a roofer by trade, he's just a general builder, but he was up fixing a roof in an industrial plant, and he was climbing back down a ladder, and he just stepped onto it, but because it was kind of like an old rundown building, the metal industrial ladder had rusted, so when he went to climb back down it, when he was at the top, the like metal rung that you stand on snapped, so he fell about 20 feet and he like broke his rib, cracked his head open, punctured a lung. Like, same fall but much worse, you know. He was also, to be fair, my grandpa at this point was at least 68 years old, so I mean, low-key, he kind of tanked that shit for a 68-year-old. Like, bro's built of bricks, apparently. I guess we all are. I mean, I fell 20 feet, only broke one bone, but I did shatter it, so I guess not. But I'll get it back. I'm fairly confident I'll get it back to full movement before too long, and I'll be back roofing. I'll be back in the gym doing what I love. But I think it's just the swelling right now. The swelling, like, around my wrist. It's been 3 months, but the swelling's still quite big around my wrist. I think it's kind of like stiff here. Like, I mean, normal flex would be this, and right now I can only do that. So yeah, man, that's why I think you're a lucky one. Yeah, I mean, like I say, kind of lucky. This trade's going well so far. I mean, the account, we are up 4,000 on the account. We started at 15,000. We're up to 19.5 when I started stream. So we're doing alright. Am I the only one here today? It's a pity because you're doing good live streams. Thank you, my man. To be honest, I haven't put anything out on Trading 212 yet. I need to like go into, like, usually I'll get word out a bit to get people coming in, then it kind of picks up on the algorithm. But I'll make a post in just a second. I was actually gonna have a little bit more of my coffee first, and I was gonna map out Germany and Japan after gold, just so I had a couple talking points to go from on some of the stocks, which is what you caught me doing on gold. So right now this is more just consolidation levels, top line, midline, where resistance might happen, like right on this peak. it's coming across to this consolidation over here, so it's fighting with the levels. So you caught me mid setup. I mean, gold is pretty volatile lately, obviously for the past like 3 months. You'll have pumps that go up 100 and then fall like 300 in a day. Shit's been crazy. Honestly, gold going from one of the most reliable buys to a big fucking downfall. NAS 100. Is that on Trading 212? I don't think so. Trading View, right? NAS 100. Tech, obviously. I'm being stupid. I'm not worth that ticker. Buy. Let me map it 1 sec. Okay, you got a lot of room for a short here. But a good, nice uptrend has started. Yeah, wide berth. It's quite nice. Price range. That's what I'm looking for. We got range here. It's making its own range here. With here. Bottom. Selling pressure. This whole thing kinda. We'll have more in between this though. Like you got levels over here that will stop in between. So like here, bring it across so we know exactly what sort of level we're looking for. Here as well. Yeah, right below so you got 2 levels to fight with there. Here as well, top line kind of overriding. And then a bunch of ones up here at the top. I would say if you were to go long, it's risky anyway because it looks like it might tank a little bit. Is this not Tech 100? Yeah, it's Tech. I'd go. Let's see if I did go long. Let's swap to the 1 day so we can be a bit easier for the day. What are we fighting with here? Honestly, not much. You could place a trade. Stop loss would be. It would be big stop loss. 29,399. Take profit. Next consolidation level. Risk reward not really worth it, so you probably want to go second or in between mid and top line support. So even if you go here, 29787, but risk reward is not that high. So let me put one on. What I say was 29787, 29399. 29787 has already been crossed on USA. So what is on here? Where am I? Right at the falling knife. So like here. 30, 30. 30, 30, stop loss. Where am I? Start of the uptrend. So here mark those really quick so I don't forget. And like here, 30, I said. So that's your, I'll get 5, 30, 30, oh, my bad. Stop loss, 29, 520. See, risk reward isn't favorable because you're hoping for a big long, but honestly the uptrend has been started. So, I mean, you cannot just hope it continues. So I'll go for it. Risk reward is risky. You could push this up to 643, which I might do. Kind of lowers it a little bit. We have a lot of profit already on the account, so we'll take a bit more of a risky one, but we also have this gold playing as well. So if we lose it, we will be down about 1,000, but overall still up. Yeah, let's put a nice long position card on here just to mark progress. Take profits there, stop loss is here. Very nice. That's first take profit. You could go second take profit at 30,175, but that's asking for a lot. That's asking for a lot. Gold's been slower, but this is an uptrend. Trend has been broken for now. It might just be trying to fill this gap, but it already did. So, shouldn't really. But on the 3 months, I mean, on the year, this candle could be a fake out like this though, but our take profits way before that. So this is coning, so there should be breakout. Breakout will happen before these lines meet. So it's basically got until this line coming across till something will happen. On some trades I am, yeah. I mean, I don't trade with the demo, with the real account, just in case a stock blows up that I'm in, and you know, if I did get big at some point, I don't want to have any issues with financial conduct authorities or investigations or whatever saying that I potentially insider traded by coercing the public to buy certain stocks. And I know that they like to be a bit sneaky and snaky and do that to people sometimes, so I'd rather just avoid the whole drama before it even happens. And so with some trades I do, with others I just give predictions and then I'll place it on the account so we can, everyone following along can see whether my strategy is profitable or not profitable. So basically, so you can see if there's proof to anything that I'm saying. So I use Trading 212 and Trading View to mirror the trades, and I place the trades at a slightly higher amount on the demo account than I would on my real one. Because on the demo account I'm day trading. On my account I either swing trade, sometimes I hold stocks for months on a CFD, so it really just depends. But on the stream account I try to day trade because most people come in wanting a day trade and they're coming in for the trading aspect of it. So on my real account right now I'm in Reddit and I'm in Japan 225. So I'll actually show you Reddit. Reddit's looking great. I can't lie. Did not mean to go in silver. Silver's also looking really good. Reddit's looking pretty good. I've been in Reddit since 166. So if you can imagine, I got in here And I'm waiting for 225 on this. So I still got a little bit more time to hold on this, but I'm thinking at least 225, at least here. So yeah, that's Reddit for Japan. I'm hoping for 72,000 or 71.5. I don't like month, so we'll go 50 minutes, which is this a day? No, it's a week, yeah. So I'm hoping for 71.5 or 72. No worries, my man. Take it easy. Did not mean to close it. There we go. What the fuck happened? What happened? Oh my god. Filled the fair value gap, I guess. Build up, buy. Take profit 415, 420. Or 410. Now started a slight uptrend again. Oh yeah. Filled gap. Coming back up. Consolidation. Take profit. Oof. 120. Day trade wise, don't expect much. This doesn't move a lot. Sphere. Wait. No trade. Crude, just wait. It's already low. Red wire is a buy. Sell off, trend reversal. We got stop losses, take profits, stay with the plan. Gold, we're back up, baby. Just took a leg up. So we're in gold and we're in USA right now. On the real account, we're in Japan and we're in Reddit. Real account is up 6.1% today. This account, I haven't closed any trades yet, so nothing is up or down. These are the first trades of the stream. Honestly, not even asking for too much from gold too. It just might be sideways for a while. USA market. Is that true? Oh shit. Okay, maybe don't trade USA Tech today. That's my bad. I didn't even know. That's my bad, chat. After Asia's been done, I don't know if EU or UK will buy. I didn't realize there was no trading day from any of the tech companies, but that means they might buy cheap while there's no Friday for open on Monday. Invest instead of CFD. Depends. Honestly, stop loss could be at like 297.18, 717. It's an entry though, isn't it? No. I mean 718, but this could drop 100 and go back up fucking 500, bro. Sure. Germany? Oof. Did it hit 26? No. 966. We're up on gold. This is nice. A bit nice. This is not nice. I don't like. I mean, on the day trade, we caught that like pretty nice. I can't lie. Fair enough. It'll come down. After that growth, it needs to come down a little bit. Might create a new level for consolidation though, now that it beat all those consolidations on the left. Or it'll drop. One of the two. I don't think it's going to instantly rise again for a second. NAS 100, I mean, I shouldn't have said buy before you left. Sorry, I didn't know US markets were shut today. Sorry. Sorry, chat. That's bad repertoire on my part. I mean, but I did enter the trade, so we can see if it works out. It might still. You know, Europe and UK might buy. Maybe. That looked like a change of direction at 9 though. Gold continued uptrend, so they're buying gold again, which is good. Oh. Sorry, chat. I don't know why my camera does that. it's up. Is it today? Oh shit. Chat. Low key? Today is mine and my wife's 6-year anniversary of being together. And then in 7 days, so a week from now, it will be our 2-year wedding anniversary. Damn. 6 years. But in the best possible way that you could say this, it feels like a lifetime. It feels like a lifetime. I wouldn't trade it for a thing. Where we get a dog too. I can't wait for that. I've had dogs my whole life growing up. My wife's never had a dog growing up, so I'm very excited. She loves dogs though, so. But I'm very excited because it'll be the first kind of addition to the house sort of thing. I mean, she has rabbits, pet rabbits, but I'm not a huge fan of. I don't mind rabbits, but I'm not a huge fan of them as pets. So, but you know, she wanted rabbits, so she has rabbits, and we're both getting a dog, which is something we both have. We both want, which is great. But we're getting a little black lab, and we're gonna be calling him Duke. Damn, I didn't know there was no trading today. That's kind of whack. I got to wait on Monday. So. So we're in X80 USD right now, gold, with a buy trade. We're long till 4-2-15, 4-2-20, 4-2-10. Stop loss at 4-1-50. So a real tight stop loss for how the market could go, but I prefer that stop loss because that's basically confirmation of trend break without suffering massively. Chat is not. There we go. Chat wasn't chatting. I don't know why that's not coming up as an actual. Oh, it is. Is it? No, it's not. No, it got blocked. Can I get the chat up, please? Apparently not. Chat. I'm not allowed to bring my own chat. Okay. Well, I was going to post a link tree, so at least you guys could get into the Discord if you wanted. But apparently, I ain't allowed. So yeah, we'll stick with it. We'll stick with it, I guess. My bad for the influx of people that joined right there, and and just seen my stream doubled. But I was trying to post the link tree for new joins, but it won't actually let me. So I guess I won't. And that will be that. Okay, nothing wants to work. Like, if you know I have a funded account on here, why not just let me use the social tab? Like, it's so dumb. Actually too bad. Might play some Armory Forger in a little bit, chat. I can't lie. I just bought myself a new PC as well, so that should be here by next week. Hopefully a bit higher quality streams for you guys. Pretty much a full upgrade. Also be getting a new webcam because this one keeps tripping out and I don't know what is going on with it, but you know, it has done me well. I mean, the camera's about 9 years old, so you know, it's doing alright. Little workhorse. I'll take it. There's a lot of selling pressure here from earlier level of support as well. Buying pressure still there though. Tech might start slowing down a little bit. Alright chat, I'm probably gonna end the live stream. Never mind. Emmanuel, what's up my man? Just want to ask how you determine your directional bias and when you know if it's failed or not. Honestly, it depends on the kind of trade you're trying to make. It's different from day to week to a few days to a month. It depends on how long you on how long you expect to hold a stock. And most of my stocks are take profit and stop loss, so I'll just leave it running until it hits either the stop loss or take profit. But I determine those levels based on outbreak zones and consolidation areas, price action, resistance levels, things like that. Like right there, gold's a way to fall even more in the next few minutes. It'll fill the next gap down to at least 180, 175 ish. There's heavy resistance at 186. You can notice price is fighting that level. Downtrend has not been broken yet. If this candle can break through the top line of 186, then we'll know we're in an uptrend. Okay, it broke. So now uptrend has started again. See? We go up more because we broke through. Don't do me dirty. Go up more, we broke through. This should be a higher low now. And we should be able to do the 186 next. And finally get through that barrier. Thank you for the subscription, Emmanuel. Come on, 186. Or 188, sorry, what we need to break next. We did break 186. Fill in the gap. Normal. But like I was saying, I might end the stream there. I'll leave both these trades running. We'll see how it goes next time on stream. Right now the account is sitting at 19,530. We will see where we're at when we come back next time and whether the take profit or stop loss hits, but I'm fairly confident we will see a nice take profit. So thank everybody for coming in and checking out the stream. It's been great to have everybody in. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.